Hi, I'm Matthew Bramble, Technical Director for Cambridge Audio. I'm just going to take you through the Incognito MultiRoom system, which we are showing here at the CEDIA show in the US. The Incognito system is based on a small hub to which you can connect 6 sources, and these can be any source, so they can be a CD player or DVD player or any source that you already actually have. It doesn't need to be a specific product from ourselves. And these are connected to the product through the phono sockets at the top, and in fact can be looped out of the bottom of the product to an AV receiver or to another hub, so should you wish to expand the system beyond 4 zones. The sources are then controlled via infrared. The product has infrared emitter outputs that can be used to stick an infrared emitter on the front of any source, or in the case of our own sources, we actually have an infrared emitter input socket on the back of the product. So you have 6 main ins, 6 loop outs, and 6 infrared outputs. The keypads are then connected via Cat5 cable here at the front, and the keypad is in fact completely powered from this hub, so no mains connection is needed anywhere in the system. The system is in fact a low voltage system, so it can be installed in wet areas or bathrooms or anywhere whereby only low voltage equipment can be installed. You can have 4 main zones and 4 sub-zones, so each hub can actually do 8 rooms. And in fact the hubs can be changed so that you can actually have 24 main zones and 24 sub-zones, all from one system. So this is the business end of the system. This is the keypad. And as I said before, this is connected via a single run of Cat5 to the hub. Cat5 cable is a very cheap cable. It's also a cable that's well understood by electricians. So in fact, the system can be installed by any electrician or any competent DIY person. As I said before, no mains is required. This keypad is powered from the hub over the Cat5 cable. Using the keypad is as simple as there's volume control, there's actually a bass, a treble, balance control, and there's input change. The sources can then be controlled from the learning remote. So by programming the learning remote with the original commands from my CD player, which might be a Sony CD player or such like, I can now press play, pause, track skip, or access the menu functions and such like of my DVD player. So full control of the system comes from the learning handset. In fact, if I want to go a little bit further, I can use the learning keypad. This is a new keypad we're just launching at the show that allows you to actually skip track or press play or pause or control the source actually from the wall. The learning keypad connects to the main keypad by a very small little jumper lead which is provided with it. Again, no extra power is required. This is powered from the single run of Cat5 coming from the hub. When you have the learning keypad, you now have a small display, which means you can name your sources. So you can name source 1 CD, as we have here. Source 2 could be iPod or tuner, and you can see that on the small display. The small display also has a clock with an alarm and sleep timer function, so that you can, for instance, wake up to the tuner or set it to turn off the keypad in half an hour's time. The keypad is programmed from the learning remote. Once you've taught the learning remote all the commands of your source equipment, whatever it may be, you simply plug a small lead from this remote into the keypad and do a cloning operation. The cloning operation transfers all the information from this remote into this keypad. Once you've done this, your system is programmed. You don't need to do any more. And this keypad now knows all the commands for your source equipment. So in conclusion, the Incognito system is a simple, elegant, low-cost system which is very, very easy to install, being as it uses simple cables that any electrician would understand. For full technical details on the system, please see our website at cambridgeaudio.com. Thank you.